Weekend na. May weekend ka ba? Basta accountant, I know the feeling. Friday night, imbes na mag-relax, nag-e-encode pa rin ang expenses. Saturday morning, habang friends mo nasa outing, ikaw nasa harap ng Excel. And by Sunday, guess what? Nagtatrabaho ka pa din kasi ang daming kailangan gawin. Oftentimes, we confuse inefficiencies with dedication. Ilang beses na ba nating narinig yung isang accountant saying, parang wala na akong buhay, parang asawa ko na yung spreadsheets. Nakakatawa, pero masakit yun, di ba? This is where accounting automation tools like Xero could change the story. Sales automatically recorded, expenses uploaded with a snap of a receipt, reports generated in seconds. So pag dumating ang weekend, wala nang guilt trip. Pwede ka nang mag-Saturday vacation. Pwede ka nang mag-Sunday rest. At ang best part, mas productive ka pa rin on weekdays kasi hindi naman umano yung trabaho. Take note, hindi ka nawalan ng trabaho because of these tools. You just got your life back. Life is more than just spreadsheets. Kung gusto mo makuha ulit ang weekends mo, automation is the way. Let the system do the heavy lifting para ikaw naman makapag-rest, makapag-banding at makabalik Monday na energized. This is the power of accounting automation. If you're interested to know more, send us a message. Laging tandaan, basta accounting, i-automate na yan.